Hello, myself. So for that, basically, what is the easiest way? You have to connect to the Brahma Kumari like group. Basically, they are into this business. Basically, they know basically that 100 years before, basically, which kind of human souls was created. Basically, they have the entire data. Basically, Brahma Kumari is there. Then the Patanjali groups are there. They are up to this human souls level data. Basically, they basically connect up to human souls. Basically. So you can collect the data from this whole group basically. Because you require some source, no, basically. Because this is something new basically. Something new means basically you basically will never find it, but you can find this everything basically in Wikipedia basically. Because Wikipedia is that kind of person basically who have all data basically. Who basically have all data basically, all stories basically of the each individuals basically, which doesn't exist in Twitter also basically, which doesn't exist in Facebook also, which doesn't exist in YouTube channel also basically, which doesn't exist in Instagram. So all the basically social media basically, websites basically, there also things basically doesn't exist. That basically exists in Wikipedia basically. So that data is also required basically. But here basically you have to check first that thing basically who interacts with Wikipedia basically. Because Wikipedia is that kind of person basically who has created his own energy basically. That this kind of people only basically supposed to interact with Wikipedia basically. So that also you have to check basically. Because there are basically special energy basically created in the environment basically. You basically attract with that person. For example, Yahoo.com basically. Yahoo.com basically in I think 1995 or 96 basically they launched. Their energy basically was in environment basically. That means the person who created the Yahoo basically he was a normal person basically. But he connected with few people basically. They were basically powerful basically. So he basically started doing the advertising of Yahoo basically. Slowly basically up to 2004 he became famous basically. So next